the Jubilee is not yet fixed, and we don't know when or where it will be, but I think that there will most probably be a Jubilee. And I hope many.
Sometimes the Jamaat in the past months has said to me, Hazrat Imam, why do you make these jokes? And I said, well, why shouldn't I make jokes? The Darbar is a moment of happiness. And I remind them that in Islam, happiness is a blessing. It is a blessing from Allah. And therefore, if you have smiles and you have happy children and you have friends and you enjoy the qualities of life, this is also a reason to be thankful for the blessing from Allah.
The Imam is the descendant of the Prophet, and as such has the religious guidance of his community. At the same time, he has to see that in their material life they are happy and that they progress.
That my wish for the decades ahead is that you stand firmly by the principles and the ethics of our faith. Wherever you are, whatever age you are, whatever you do in your lives, it is essentially important to me that the principles of our faith should be respected every day of your lives. This is my hope and this is my prayer. And I wish you happiness, long life, good health, and unity in your lives and your families.